Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2006 Ford Escape with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder double overhead cam. It's got the dreaded PO128, which is coolant temperature not reaching temperature, and I want to show you how I do this. On this car it's very difficult to get it from up top, so what I do on these is I pull the one shield off here, take the belt off, then I take the AC compressor down. There's only 4 bolts, one bolt here, 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 and here. And then, as you can see right there, there's the bottom of the thermostat. Now it's easy to get to. You have a bolt here, and a bolt here. And there's the lower radiator hose, and there's that heater hose. You can get in here without any problem. If you were to do it from the top, you'd have to take the power steering pump off. And then there's not a lot of room between the fan and the intake manifold to get your hand in here, and you're doing it blind. This way it's much easier to do it. And you also pull this shield down, and the coolant drains right there. So that's how I do the thermostats on these Ford Escapes 2006 with the 2.3s. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that right here in that corner, and we'll talk to you all later. Thank you.